At least 15 people were killed and 34 wounded when two explosions followed by gunfire hit Afghanistan's biggest military hospital in Kabul, a Taliban security official said on Tuesday. Interior Ministry spokesman Qari Saeed Khoshti said the explosions took place at the entrance of the 400-bed Sardar Muhammad Dawood Khan Hospital in central Kabul, and security forces had been sent to the area. There was no confirmation of casualty numbers, but a Taliban security official, speaking on condition of anonymity, said there were at least 15 dead and 34 wounded. Italian aid group Emergency, which runs a trauma hospital around 3 kilometers from the site of the blast, said 9 wounded had been brought in so far. Photographs shared by residents showed a plume of smoke over the area of the blast near the former diplomatic zone in the Wazir Akbar Khan area of the city, and witnesses said at least 2 helicopters were flying over the area. There was no immediate claim of responsibility, but the official Bakhtar news agency quoted witnesses saying a number of Islamic State fighters entered the hospital and clashed with security forces.